Tobi is live in Benin as he attends the burial of Archbishop Davido. Seun Kuti was seen in London as they seen enjoying themselves as they visited billionaire Pastor Toby. Okay, guys, on the news today, Tobi, I don't know whether this man the rest. Today in day for here, tomorrow in day for here. The man has just been everywhere. The whole of Benin has just been on the streets, just following Tobi since yesterday night. Tobi arrived. I think say D7 say maybe Tobi no come Edo State again. Who the hell is D7? See the kind massive cry where the man they pull for Edo State as the youth of Edo State came out in massive numbers to welcome Tobi. The man is the man of the people. You cannot stop the movement of the people. The people's movement is Tobi, and Tobi is the people. So you cannot stop him. The people of Edo State has decided who they will choose. If you like preach Tinubu from Nati next year, they go follow who they go follow. See the massive crowd that followed him in Benin. Davido, after a successful show in London, visited billionaire Pastor Toby alongside Seun Kuti. Davido and Seun Kuti was seen in the house of billionaire Pastor Toby as they were seen having fun. He served them a sumptuous dinner as they danced and just partied on Davido's new album. It was a lovely one. Seun Kuti, Baba with him and Verydarkman together. It was seen all smiles as the whole thing went down. It was a wonderful one. See how the whole thing went down.
Baby, and they crazy for your matter. Oh, because I'm falling in love with you. Oh, because I'm falling in love with you. Carnivorous, and I see Bassats, that they get on. Oh, because I'm falling in love with you. Olomida, easy on me. My sugar banana, everybody. Baby, if I give you my love, you take it from me. Yeah, I'm already falling. This one be this way, you want to do. And I see Bassats, that they get on. Oh, because I'm falling in love with you. Olomida, easy on me. My sugar banana, everybody. Baby, if I give you my love, you take it from me. Yeah, I'm already falling. This one be this way, you want to do. Hold that. Go there, Obo. On the street of London. The streets of London, my sheep. Upenda. Damn, man. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Upenda. Alhamdulillah. What's that? Safe. Obisas. Give me that chocolate. Let me talk on it.